You are working on your business, pitching your ideas, putting yourself out there. Then you hear it. No thanks. And just like that, your confidence takes a hit. Here's how to bounce back fast without spiraling for days or weeks. I'm opening ChatGPT and typing, give me a positive reframe for a business rejection and a follow up message I can send to stay top of mind. Hit enter. After that, you will get a mindset reframe and an actual message you can use right away. Because one no doesn't mean never. It often just means not yet. If you want help building the kind of confidence that doesn't shake every time someone says no, I link the confidence challenge below. It gives you tools to stay calm under pressure, regulate your emotions, and keep moving, no matter what happens. That's exactly what step 4 of the confidence challenge is about. Anchoring your new self so you don't spiral after rejection. You stay grounded, composed, and in control. Check it out below if you're ready to bounce back stronger every time.